To completely disable Gemini on a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, first of all, we're going to open Settings. Now over here in Settings, you want to scroll down a little bit and search for Google Services. And let's go here. In Google Services, choose All Services here in this place, and then you should be able to find Search Assistant and Voice on this list. Now in here, we're going to go to Google Assistant. Even though we use Gemini, you want to choose Google Assistant in this case. And in fact, since we do use Gemini, we want to go to Digital Assistants from Google, and we want to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant, and confirm that you want to switch. There we go, we're going to go back now to the previous menu. And in here, we're going to continue scrolling down for a little bit to find General. And then in the General Settings, you can turn off Google Assistant here in this place, and then we can confirm that we want to turn it off. It is necessary to actually switch to Google Assistant, at least right now, because we cannot deactivate completely Gemini on our devices, and we have to switch to Google Assistant because we can actually turn off Google Assistant. And since now Google Assistant is the default digital assistant, it is now completely deactivated. Besides that, of course, we can find the button shortcut that allows us to activate Gemini. Usually now we can press the power button, we can press and hold it to activate Gemini. To turn it off, you need to go to Advanced Features in your settings, then go to the Side button, and here we have long press. And you want to switch from Digital Assistant to, let's say, Power Off menu. So now if you press and hold the power button, you actually activate the power menu instead of Gemini. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.